Good morning, students. This is third unit, Puru the Brave. Puru the Brave. Puru the Brave. Puru means Purushottam. Purushottama. He is the king of Pataliputra. Now it is called, that is in Bihar. Patna. Bihar capital, Patna. That is in olden days, Pataliputra. The king who ruled is called Purushottama. His nickname Puru, the brave. He is a very brave man. Once you observe this picture, what you observe here? There is a war going on there. They used old weapons, elephants, I think, horse. Here, it is a sense of a battle of ancient times. It appears to be a complete an Indian battle. The soldiers of both the sides of the battle are using the old instruments of warfare, swords, daggers, and spears. Battle is going on fiercely. The soldiers are slashing their swords with speed, lightning speed. Though they are well announced, the soldiers of both sides are wounded seriously. Their heads are cut off. Some lost their limbs. The battlefield must have become red with bloodshed. Okay. What do you think may be the cause of the war? Why they fighting each other? Because the thrust of conquering the other kingdom. One king wanted to occupy the other's kingdom. So, in that they fight each other. Who is Puru? What do you know about him? Puru is a brave king. He fights bravely. He is patriotic and a man of self-respect. Puru is a brave king. He fights bravely. He is patriotic and a man of self-respect.
Alexander and the King Porus. Alexander's invasion of India is a landmark in the history of India. The famous Greek philosopher Aristotle was his teacher. At the age of 20, he became the king of Macedonia. His sole aim was to expand the empire. He was victorious in all the battles. Soon he conquered Asia Minor, Syria, Egypt, and Persia in 331 BC. He wanted to conquer India, which was at that time known as Land of Milk and Honey. In 327 BC, he crossed the river Indus, fought and defeated King Porus of the Jhelum territory. A great admirer of bravery and patriotism, Alexander was highly impressed by the valor of King Porus and returned the usurped kingdom to him. Here we must remember that Ambi, king of Taxila, out of fear refused to fight with Alexander. Why is Alexander's conquer is an important phase in the Indian history? Because the invasion saw political unity among the warring states. This led to the rise of the Indian empires like Maurya. Because of the invasion, new openings of interactions between India and the Western countries happened. There was expansion of geographical boundaries. New routes for trade and new lines for communications were made. Greek and Indian civilizations became closer. This resulted in the change in Indian architecture. Indian astronomy was influenced by the Greek. Alexander was set upon conquering more kingdoms, but his valiant soldiers were tired. Therefore, he decided to return to Macedonia. Unfortunately, Alexander died at the age of 33 on his way back in Babylon, the modern Iraq.